This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preserving what matters. Export pip freeze and copy virtualims so you can restore environments later. Next, identify how Python was installed, installer, package manager, pyenv, or anaconda because the removal commands differ. Once done, close all editors and services that use Python, then open an elevated shell. This prevents locked files and ensures you can remove files in protected locations. You're now ready to run the correct uninstaller for your specific install method. You now execute the core removal steps. On Windows, run the installer's uninstall or remove from apps and check path and registry entries. On Mac OS, use homebrew uninstall or remove frameworks, and on Linux, use apt purge or the distro package manager to remove Python X. If you used pyenv or anaconda, run their uninstall commands to remove versions and environments. Make sure to delete global site packages, pip cache, and stray Python executables in /usr/local/bin or user bin folders. Finish by cleaning configuration and path entries in your shell profiles so no stale references remain. Remove ~/ local/lib/python x and python-rc files to avoid surprises. Then verify removal with commands like which Python and Python version and inspect for broken symlinks. If system utilities depend on Python, you may need to reinstall an appropriate system-provided version rather than removing it. If something breaks, restore from your backups or reinstall the needed distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.